When you're ready to install your soft top, it's best to have another person on hand to assist. Before you get started, you'll have to gather the following items: the right and left side door rails, the right and left side rear door frames, 8-door frame attachment Torx head screws on 4-door models, the rear retainers, and the soft top brackets. If you haven't done so already, remove the hardtop. Next, install the front door rails and, if you have a 4-door model, the rear door frames. Place the front door rail in the rubber seal at the top of the windshield and line up the holes for the Torx head screws. Swing the frame bracket around the side of the rail and insert the screws from underneath. Tighten the screws using the provided number 40 Torx head driver until they are snug, being careful not to cross-thread or over-tighten the screws. On 4-door models, set the rear door frame pin into the hole on top of the body side, just behind the rear door opening. Carefully position the top of the door frame onto the rear of the front door rail. Make sure the rubber seals lay flat and are installed correctly to avoid water leaks. Adjust and tighten the frame brackets like you did for the front door frames. Remove the 2 trim pieces from the sport bar. Then, using the number 40 Torx head driver and ratchet, attach the 2 metal soft top brackets to the sport bar. Using the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet, install the rear retainers on each side of the rear of the vehicle. Before lifting the soft top, make sure the lift assist mechanism is in the lock position and the hook and loop fastener straps are secured around the linkage. Then lift the soft top into the rear of the vehicle with the side links pointing toward the front. Lower the lift assist mechanism onto the soft top brackets on both sides of the sport bar. Using the provided number 40 Torx head driver and ratchet, tighten the Torx screws by turning them clockwise until snug, and repeat this on the opposite side. While pulling the release lever on the top of the rail toward the rear, place the side link into the guide track on the top of the rail, and then release the lever. Make sure the wire harness in the left rear corner is not tangled in the soft top bows before you lift the top. Once you've done that, go ahead and raise the soft top. To remove the soft top, you'll have to lower it first. Make sure the lift assist mechanisms on both sides of the vehicle are in the lock position and the hook and loop fasteners are secured around the linkage. Verify the soft top is locked in the lowered position by pushing down on the number 1 bow, then giving a tug upward. Using the provided number 40 Torx head driver and ratchet to unscrew the 2 Torx head screws on each lift assist mechanism, then lift them up and away from the vehicle. Hold the release lever on top of the rail toward the rear to release the side link from the track. Then repeat on the opposite side. With the help of another person, lift the soft top up and away from the vehicle, careful to avoid the vehicle's sport bar, trim, and tire carrier. Using the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet, unscrew the Torx screw to remove the retainer on each side of the rear of the vehicle. Store the soft top in a safe, clean, and dry location, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.